Hello everybody and welcome back to EFCN, Easy Fun China News. Today I'm going to teach you how you could use your trackpad on your Mac to actually write Chinese by hand and not by typing. So first of all, let's see what we're going to do, and then I will show you how to do it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to use our trackpad like this. Okay, so let's go back and I'll show you step by step how to do it. First of all, we need to have the pinyin simplified or traditional, whichever one you are using, as our input source. So to do that, we're going to go into our system preferences, and then we are going to go to keyboard, and here you go into input sources. In the input sources on the left, you will see the input sources that you have already installed. And if you want to add one language, you just press plus, and here you choose the Chinese pinyin. You go Chinese simplified, for example, and then you choose the pinyin simplified and add. Of course, I'm not doing it because I have done this before. So you just do that, and then you get here on the top right the language pinyin simplified. All right. Now, basically, there is a very small hint and very small method that I'm going to teach you first. It goes like this: you do this, you do shift, you do, and then you get this little window which is opening, and you can draw something with your finger. So basically write as though you were using a notebook and a pen. So I want to write ni hao, which is hello. So I'm just gonna write ni. Now you can see that on the top of this window that has just popped up, the trackpad window, you have a few options. If your writing is very accurate, so your first option should be what you were intending to write. Here you could see that the first option from the left, it's not what I was meaning, but the second one from the left, it is. So what you need to do is you take your finger on the top of the trackpad and you just go left and right like this, and then you can see that the trackpad on the screen has some little change of the shade of gray. So here I'm choosing the ni, which is you in Chinese, and when you release your finger, it's going to actually choose this character. So this is ni. Let's do how. This is how. As you can see again, the second option is what I was intending to write. So I'm just going to choose it. So this is ni hao. Now, what happens if you want to continue using your regular trackpad as a regular mouse? Then you go, oh, now I need to close this window. And then, oh, what's happening here? So there are two ways to disable this window and continue using your trackpad as a regular mouse. One way is just to press the escape button, and you can see that the color has changed, and here it's going to be written click to resume handwriting. Then you can go and do whatever you want with your mouse, and if you click, so it does resume the handwriting. Yeah, so this is one option. The option that I prefer actually is to completely disable this window, and when you need it, just enable it again. So shift, control, space, right? Shift, control, space. Now, if this combination of three keys, for some reason, if it's not working for you, you could just, you see, you could just go here into the pinyin simplified and then go all the way down and open pinyin simplified preferences and make sure that show trackpad handwriting is available, right? So as you can see, we can use shift control space, or we could go here and choose it from here. And then it actually does the same. Obviously, if you prefer, you can also use the traditional way of writing, which is ni hao, right? Just type the notes, the letters, I mean, and then you could see the numbers here, right? So you see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course the these characters are the characters that we were intending to write. So you just hit the number 1 and there you go. So yeah, this is how you do it. Just Shift, Control, Space, and then you write. And yeah, I wish you all a great writing and learning experience, and I hope you all got it right and easily. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.